Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations Meditations Explorations No Expectations for the day of Tuesday. Tuesday is the warrior energy. It's all about power, but a good kind of power. Willpower, determination, and never giving up. That's what it's about. You can put on some red today. All right, pink, but close enough. You could burn some musk incense or some Loban incense. I might be the only person in the world who has his incense collection. Well, I might be the only person in the world who has an incense collection, but who has his incense collection categorized by the days of the week. Here's Mondays incense, Tuesdays incense. I like fragrances. Anyway, musk or Loban is good. I'm burning some musk, Nepali musk. Listen to some brass music today, some trumpets maybe. Put on some trumpet music. Chet Baker. Put on some Chet Baker. That would be good. What else? Well, never giving up. Transcending through willpower, especially when you have this in the spiritual. Keep going. It will lead you to your deeper self. One person who had this in the spiritual was, or is, Oprah Winfrey. And, you know, she probably wouldn't have gotten to the position that she's in without having this very powerful willpower and determination that rules her warrior spiritual nature, right? Even other people, Frank Sinatra, couldn't have gotten to where he got to without that warrior, without that determination. So I'll read a little bit from what Oprah has to say. I will play the interval vibration of the day, which is the third. And this will help to put you in touch with where you have the warrior in your blueprint. You might have it in your relationships. Then you're a warrior in how you interact with people. You're a no-nonsense interactor. Or you might have it in career, where you get things done quickly. And you never give up. So here we go. When you undervalue what you do, the world will undervalue who you are. Doing the best at this moment puts you in the best place for the next moment. Be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never, ever have enough. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Turn your wounds into wisdom. can have it all, just not all at once. Real integrity is doing the right thing, knowing that nobody's going to know whether you did it or not. One of the hardest things in life to learn are which bridges to cross and which bridges to burn. That even rhymes. Challenges are gifts that force us to search for a new center of gravity. Don't fight them. Just find a new way to stand. Challenges are an integral thing to the warrior. They love a challenge. They need a challenge. They don't have challenges in their life. Watch out. They're bored. They're depressed. Gotta have a challenge for a warrior. The thing you fear most has no power. Your fear of it is what has the power. Facing the truth really will set you free. That's a really powerful statement. I'll read it again. The thing you fear most has no power. Your fear of it is what has the power. Your fear of it is what has the power. Facing the truth really will set you free. Surround yourself only with people who are going to take you higher. Surround yourself only with people who are going to take you higher. I want to take you higher, higher. You don't become what you want, you become what you believe. The great courageous act that we must all do is to have the courage to step out of our history and past so that we can live our dreams. Yes. Do the one thing you think you cannot do. right? This is what I was saying a few weeks ago. Take something that you don't think you can do or that you don't even like and do it as a practice of your willpower, right? Do the one thing you think you cannot do. Fail at it. Try again. Do better the second time. The only people who never tumble are those who never mount the high wire. You get in life what you have the courage to ask for. That's the truth. That's the warrior truth, my friends. Do something you don't want to do today and see how it transforms you.